Feature our bass player here on this next tune.
Heavy Gate. I need a little of this. Hi, we're Heavy Gate.
Hopefully you recognize it.
Look, if you had one shot or one opportunity to seize everything you ever wanted, one moment, capture it, soon.
Arms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy. There's vomit on his sweater already. Mom's spaghetti is nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready to drop bombs. But he keeps on forgetting what he wrote now. The whole crowd goes so loud, he opens his mouth, but the words won't come out. He's choking now, everybody's joking now. The clock's run out, time's up, over, plows that back to reality. Yo, there goes gravity, yo, there goes gravity. Yo, he's so mad, but he won't give up gravity. No, he won't have it, he knows it's going back to these roads. It don't matter, he knows that, but he's don't have to, he knows. He goes back to his home for home, that's what. Back to the lab again, yo, this whole rhapsody. Better go capture this moment and hope it don't happen. The music, the moment you know that you can never let it go. You only get one shot, it's your chance to blow. It's opportunity goes first. Go, the music, go, and the music, the moment you know that you can never let it go. One shot, chance to blow. So escaping through this hole that is gaping. This world is mine for the taking. Make me king as we move towards a new world order. Our normal life is boring. A superstar that's supposed to post more and it only gets hotter. Only grows hotter. He blows, it's all over. These hoes, it's all on. Coast to coast shows, he knows the road try. Lonely roads got him, he knows he's going farther from home. He's no father. He goes home, he barely knows his own stuff. Hold your nose, here goes the cold one. His homies don't want no more, it's over. They moved on to the next home who flows and knows dope and so not. So the soul proper is cold and unfolded as hope his own partner up the beat goes on that enough, but not ring to this motherfucking room out like two dogs came. I was playing in the beginning, the moves all changed. I could shoot up and spin out and boot off the stage, but I kept rhyming, I kept writing the next cipher. Best believe somebody's paying the Pied Piper, and all the pain inside amplified by the fact that I can't get by with my 9 to 5, and I can't provide the right type of